I'm not using the rear wheel steering because I know that it's pointed straight. Again, checking those cars at the front end. I'm going to come in at a little bit of an angle, Peter, to counteract those cars being out. Going to come across a little to the right. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Barnard Castle for the last time here on this bank holiday. This will be the 10th jump that Big Peter's made here this weekend, and for the first